morning, welcome back to the channel. Lovely. Right, let's give that a go. I think it's still a bit of a vacuum leak there, but it's running. I suppose we could take it for a test drive, couldn't we? Hang on 1 minute. Forgot to shut the bonnet. Actually, before I go anywhere, guys, I'm going to leave the car sitting here idling and warming up to temperature for a little while, because that was the problem we had before with it. It was getting hot and then cutting out and actually over-fueling. Whether I've cured that or not, I don't know, but that'll be a job for the next owner. I will be moving this car on, guys. But what's it like on the road? I'm going to take it for a little test drive and we'll have a look. Then we'll have a look around the car and see what I've done to it. And yes, the Metro's back on the road, guys. This is only ever going to be an easy little project because it was a running and driving car when we bought it. But it just needed a few weekends worth of tinkering, which we've now done. So yeah, great to see it back on the road. So what am I going to do with this car? Well, I'm going to move it on, guys. I don't need 3 cars, and this was never going to be a keeper, so I just wanted to do the basics and get it roadworthy, which we've now done. So yeah, good times. Anyway, I'm going to pull over and you can have a look around the car. So here we go, guys, back on the road. Got new number plates on the front and back. Still needs a little bit of body work. I haven't addressed that. That's just something for the next owners to do. Let's start on the boot. Lovely and tidy inside, original carpet. The boot floor, guys, is immaculate. Look at that. I have checked all the tools are in there. Tailgate struts still work, that's nice to have. That side's locked. The interior, guys, has come up immaculate. Look at that. Back seats untouched, no scratches, no marks. Headline's all good. And under the bonnet. So to under the bonnet we have Rover's 1.1 litre K series engine. All original. So new battery fairly recently. Inner wings are all good, scuttle's all good. No rust in the corners. But yeah, very original. So with the lower part of the vehicle, there's a little bit of rust in the wheel arches, which people have tried to seal up in the past, but it looks like it's coming back through again. Door sills are all good. That's the same on the other side. I will just show you the other side just for some context. There's a few rust scabs coming through on this arch. Again, sills are all good. And the front on this one has fared a bit better. Again, it just wants sanding back and some rust treatment really, but yeah. So on the road it drives quite nicely actually. Suspension's a little bit bumpy. Like I said, the displacement on the hydro gas could do with renewing rather than just pumping back up, but at least it's drivable for the moment. Brakes are good. Steering seems responsive. No power steering of course. Got to use your muscles when driving a car like this. Pulse really well. I think this is going to make a good car for the next owner, whoever wants to take it on. But yeah, I'm going to head home now and put the kettle on and have a cup of tea. Whatever I did to the carburetor seems to cure the problem, so that's good times. So this car will be going up on Facebook Marketplace. I might put it up on eBay as well, but we'll see if it finds its feet on Facebook first, because that is free to advertise, which is always a bonus when you're selling a cheap car. Yeah, so I'll put a link in the video description, so if you watch this, you probably are looking at buying it. So yeah, but one 1994 Rover Metro Carnival could be yours. Make it happen. Right, I'm going to put the kettle on and have a cup of tea. I'll see you soon with some more content. Take care.